How to add the reminders list widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, go to a blank spot, then touch and hold. Next, tap on the edit button at the top left. Then from the pop-up, tap on add widget. Now in the search widgets pop-up, we scroll down, and in here tap on reminders, and then you can choose a small size widget, a medium size, or a large size. This widget will allow you to get quick access to one of your reminder list. So here I will choose a medium size widget, then tap on add widget, and that will get added to your home screen. If you tap on the widget, you can choose the list, so tap on list, and from here you can choose today's list, so all your reminders for today, or your schedule, flag or sign. From iCloud account you can choose reminders, or your own other iCloud. And so here I will select IT Jungles, then tap outside the box to close that, and then tap on done. And that's it. That is how you can add the reminders list widget to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.